DataCockpit is a toolkit that extracts quality and usage information from data lakes, assisting users to navigate an unfamiliar data lake, discover relevant data, flag irrelevant data, and monitor updates over time. Given a database, DataCockpit models quality such as completeness, the percentage of non-null values. It is computed using SQL for each attribute as well as record. Similarly, there are scalable implementations for correctness, that is, percentage of correct values, objectivity, amount of distortion in the data distribution, and so on. Given a usage log file, DataCockpit iterates through each log and computes different usage dimensions, such as dataset usage frequency, number of unique users, attribute usage frequency, record usage frequency, and so on. We developed DataCockpit as a Python toolkit wherein users can initialize the toolkit with a SQL Alchemy database engine and the path to the usage logs file. They can compute the desired quality and usage information and retrieve them for use in downstream applications. We demonstrate DataCockpit's capabilities by integrating it into a monitoring tool that presents visual cues about the positive and negative characteristics of data over time. Let's check it out. The landing page presents an interactive data table with basic information about all datasets in the data lake. The last two columns correspond to overall quality and usage scores as colored glyphs. Datasets with higher scores are shown in green and lower scores in red. Clicking any row opens a detailed view about that dataset. First, there is basic information along with a few sample records as a preview. Second, overall quality and usage scores along with their constituent dimensions are presented as colored glyphs. For example, completeness of the dataset is 70%, and because this value falls in the medium category, it is colored yellow. Third, users can visualize the evolution of quality and usage scores over time. For example, when new dataset batches are ingested and metrics are recomputed. Finally, the quality and usage information for each attribute is presented as a hierarchical tree visualization. This visualization is interactive, providing affordances to zoom, pan, expand, and collapse attribute nodes. Nodes are colored based on attribute level quality scores. Hovering on attribute node shows attribute level quality and usage scores. For example, city has a correctness of 80%. Both DataCockpit and the visual monitoring tool are released as open source software. For more information, please read our paper. Thank you.